On the Damac Bay 3-tower construction site in Dubai, PTC's customer in Middle East deployed two 65 HD vibrodrivers for deep foundations works. These 3 towers, rising up to 42 stories, are part of a premium waterfront development in Dubai Harbor. The foundations work consisted of driving steel tubes of 1.2 meters in diameter, and roughly 14 meters long, which were cast in situ. Concrete was poured directly into the tubes to form the piles. Thanks to the 65 HD's precision and power, the tubes were installed efficiently and aligned correctly, ensuring structural stability for the superstructure.